In this video, I'm going to cover exactly which YouTube financial education channel I think is the best for people right now. I'm going to cover their strengths and weaknesses, and I'm going to share what I like and don't like about their videos. So let's dive right in. These guys are crushing it on YouTube. They've started their channels several years ago and have gotten really good at creating videos. So what I wanted to do here was show you the numbers and see how many subscribers they have each on their channels. We have Stefan that's got over 3 million subscribers now. I remember watching him when he was just getting started. His earlier videos were on real estate. Then we have Andrei and Kevin. These guys have about 1.6 million subscribers. They are growing very quickly and they are pumping out the videos every single week. We then have Financial Education by Jeremy Lefebre. Lefebre? I'm not quite sure how to pronounce his last name, but he is a outspoken guy, very energetic, love to watch him. We then have Chang that's got around 377,000 subscribers, and he is one that's got lots of different hobbies. So I don't think he's putting as much time, energy, and effort into his channel as some of these other top guys, but he is making a decent amount from YouTube. We also then have the Humble Trader, which I stumbled across. It's been great watching her channel and seeing all the different charts she puts up on the screen. Now that we've gone over these channels, what I want to do is to go into each one in depth and share with you what I like and what's interesting and what I look forward to with each of these channels. So let's dive right in. First up is Stefan. This guy is amazing. His early videos when I started watching over a year ago were pretty rough, very basic in editing. He got me excited about real estate. He would share the amount of money that he was putting into some of these buildings, with the projects he was working on, all the money he was sinking into the renovations and upgrades he was making. He would tell little stories about his tenants. It was just really engaging. He kept wanting me to come back more and more to watch his channel. Now, his reaction videos most recently have been very entertaining and fun to watch. I never quite know who he's going to react to or create a video on, but it's always very interesting. His thumbnails are very engaging and never know what to expect, and some of them are very creative. What I think he's also really good at is collaborations. He's able to speak with other people, have them as a guest on his channel, and be able to really ask them questions and add some humor in the process. What I'm looking for with Graham is his ability to collaborate even more with bigger, high-level people. He's done that already with Kevin O'Leary. And what I want to see is his wealth grow and him be able to include us in that journey. Andrei Jikh is next. The guy is Russian and does really cool card tricks. The phrases and the intros to his videos are just so good. They just captivate me right away. One of the strengths that I think his channel has is he does so much research on the topics that he talks about. He's able to share with people exactly analogies and explanations on complicated topics. So you finish the video knowing just a little bit more about something that would be otherwise difficult to understand. So he's able to help everybody know a little bit more about these higher level concepts and principles when it comes to investing, cryptocurrency, things like that. Now, his animations for his videos have started, and I've seen that happen in his video editing. I'm just excited and look forward to seeing more of those advanced animations and slides that he puts up on his videos. He's also been part of collaborations with other financial education YouTubers, so I'm excited to see him just continue on that path. Meet Kevin. The guy's got the most colorful backgrounds to the majority of his videos. Have you seen this guy? His facial hair changes from video to video. Sometimes he lets it go, and then the next video you'll see him very clean shaven. He's got a very diverse dress attire and outfits he wears, but overall, have you seen his perfect white teeth and his looks? I think he takes a lot of time and effort into that department. The guy comes across as very intelligent, but his demeanor is very down to earth. He doesn't make you feel inferior or dumb. What he really does try to do is help everybody understand where he's coming from and his position on certain topics when it comes to politics, finances, and the stocks that he's in. He does take time to talk about the trades and his psychology around it. So in his videos, I do know that he does help people through the courses that he has. Have you seen his studio? It is a dream studio. I watched a video where he explained all the hardware and devices he has. He's got so many cords and connections. It's just unbelievable. But the amazing thing is that he's able to shoot a video like this, and then as soon as he's done and hits stop on the record button, he's able to upload that video within a few minutes. So the equipment and the money that he put first into his video creation really does pay off. So he's able to create many more videos than, say, Andrei or Graham. Kevin is definitely not sitting back. He is very focused, and what he's doing is collaborating with other people. He's made sure to have guests on his channel, and you can tell that he's involved in real estate. He's very business minded, and I can see him definitely growing his channel to over 3 million subscribers in the next few years. Now, during the health crisis, he was talking about the stimulus and the programs that were out there and all of the updates that were happening around the stimulus. There was just so much information. He was trying to decipher all of it and explain to everybody exactly what to expect. And this was something that I did enjoy about his videos. I hope that he's able to take that same style and apply it to other topics that he talks about. In short, I just want to see more charts or visuals as he's talking through his videos. Jeremy Lafabre. I think he's one of the newer channels in the financial education space. This guy, in his videos, he's very basic in setup and style, very off the cuff, and I think that he just hits the record button and just starts talking, sharing his thoughts about stocks and his plans for the future for his trades. I think overall, he's a much more long-term minded investor when it comes to his money. Now, I think he's much more into the stocks and the fundamentals and the overall position of companies in the market, more so than Graham or, say, me, Kevin. Jeremy is more of a value investor, and I think he's got a very different mindset than Andrei, and he's more diversified in his positions. You can tell by watching Jeremy's videos that he is very active in the community and has programs out there where he's sharing people exactly how much and which stocks that he's investing in if you sign up for his course. What I'd like to see from Jeremy is for him to up the level of quality of his videos. At times his videos can seem scattered or not well prepared or thought out or researched as Andrei's, but every now and then I do enjoy sitting down and watching one of Jeremy's videos. Next up is Chang. His videos are more laid back and not as high energy as Graham's. I love his fundamental analysis and the way he presents them on his videos. He is a guy that has quite a few different hobbies, and YouTube just happens to be one of them. So it's great that he is able to share his life and the other hobbies that he has and works on. It was great to see one of his videos, A Day in the Life of Chang. So his background to his videos are next level. They're really good and they're visually appealing. I wish I had his background for his videos. He he does a good job in talking about the current events or topics that everyone's talking about in the investing world. This guy's again's got around 300,000 subscribers, so I really do look forward to him hitting that million subscriber mark. As I build my YouTube channel, I'll aspire to Charlie Chang and all the work that he's doing in creating his videos. I think Charlie has a lot of good knowledge and experience. He's also done some real estate. So on a business level, he does understand a lot of these concepts and principles. The topics that he talks about, where they're like the top 5 or 6 stocks that he's looking at, is really good. I think his videos are structured well and is something that I'm going to be looking to and help in my video creation. Last but not least is the Humble Trader, and this channel is one of the newer ones that I've started watching. So as a viewer, I love the charts that she puts up, where they're the candlestick patterns and her psychology around the trades she makes. I've followed along in her investment journey and listened to her as she's told that she's lost a lot of money, but now has gotten better and learned from all her mistakes and errors. So it's great to see that she's included me in on her journey, and that she's shown her account and everything that's gone on. It is great to hear all of these psychology and reactions to what people do on a daily basis as a day trader. I'm not a day trader myself, but this is something that I think could still apply some of the principles that she shares in her videos. You could apply them to long-term or even swing traders. I look forward to her kind of branching out into other topics as well as things come up in the investing community. And I just look forward to her collaborating with other YouTubers as well. All right. Here's a section where you guys have all been waiting for. I've done a quick rating of these channels that I covered, and here it is. I have Andrei at the top. I enjoy watching his videos. I will usually see his videos first if I'm scrolling through YouTube and want to spend some time watching. He's so good at being able to explain things and really help me understand exactly what's going on in a very simple method. Now the next one, Graham, his reaction videos to people that are saving money or really good and frugal. He's really good at the entertaining videos and sharing his thoughts on how they could do better with their money and managing the wealth they have. Then next is Charlie Chang. I really enjoy his fundamentals, his thoughts on certain stocks, and gives a very concise list of which ones I should be focused on. And then the next one is Meet Kevin. You know, his videos are very energetic and emotional. You will share all sides of a topic, and you get to hear the most current discussion going on. The fifth one is Jeremy Lafabre, and I'm still not quite sure if I'm pronouncing his last name correctly, but he's an interesting guy. I think he's still growing and learning how to present his videos on YouTube and engaging the viewer. So I think he brings a lot of value to investors and his strategy on picking stocks. And then the last one is the Humble Trader. I'm not a day trader myself, so I don't exactly look for this channel every time I'm on YouTube. But I do enjoy looking at candlestick patterns, and the way she presents information on small cap or micro cap stocks is just fascinating. It's not something I'm going to do right now, but it may be something I do in the future. So her ability to break down exactly the price action of a stock, what people are thinking about, and how these small companies operate is very enjoyable. So that's it, and that's the ratings that I've given each of these YouTubers. Now that I've gone over these channels, I just wanted to summarize the YouTube thumbnails that they create are eye-popping. They're very engaging and catch my eye as I'm scrolling through the YouTube app on my phone. You know, in 2020, there was a big shift in the investment world where commissions went away and retail investors like you and I were able to begin investing the $100, the $1,000 that we have in our bank account into the stock market and fractional investing. That's very important. We're able to now take that $100 or the $500 and put it into 10 different stocks and be able to manage our risk well. So these YouTubers and the channels that they built, what I really look forward to is them being able to break down the complicated stereotype and stigma around investing. You know, I think investing can be very simple and powerful if you do it correctly and invest consistently over the years. What I'd really like to see is the YouTubers continue to collaborate and really talk with each other and be able to define their positions when it comes to bull markets, bear markets, inflation, volatility, things like that, so that viewers don't get confused or cause strife in the community. I think this is a very important time in the investment world and that there should be unity. And I think that there's enough strife and conflict right now that this should be a community that really is able to become stronger, learn a lot because the stock market is always changing. You might be wondering, how did all of these YouTubers build such a big channel? And I think the main reason is they started a conversation. It was a topic they were excited about and they were involved in. They wanted to be able to present that information, give reasons for why they were making the decisions they were making, and include people in on their journey of the growth that they were making. I think this is very important to understand and implement in your own life if you're looking to build a website or a channel or growing your wealth. What I noticed is that they all started creating videos and thumbnails around the actual hot topics that were in the investment community. They wanted to put their 2 cents in, and that they knew that their viewers wanted to hear what their opinion or perspective was on a certain topic, such as Dogecoin or Bitcoin or the real estate market. Watching this video may have sparked an idea or motivation to start something. So how exactly do you start an investing journey? Well, it's very simple. You simply subscribe to my channel and you're going to be able to see all the other videos that I've posted and dropped on this channel. Have you seen any of these channels that I covered? If so, drop a comment below and let me know which one. What do you like about them? What did you not like about them? I'm very interested to hear. Thank you guys for watching this video. I had a lot of fun putting it together and showing you the channels that I watch. You got a little peek into the type of videos that I watch in my downtime. I still love creating videos for you guys about investing. So I want to stay invested and diversified, and I hope that you guys start your investing journey. I'll catch you guys in the next video.